Russian air defense system is the most powerful than the American air defense system. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union invested heavily in its air defense systems. As a result, Russia now possesses some of the most advanced air and missile defense systems in the world. Russian air defense systems are also highly proliferated, and are currently in use by dozens of nations around the world. Furthermore, many countries have developed variants, and begun indigenous production of these weapon systems. If this is the first time you visit my channel, please click subscribe to notify you of my latest video. Thank you. The Pantsir S2 is an improved version of the Pantsir S1, which uses the same missile launcher and anti-aircraft cannons. The Pantsir S2 can launch new surface-to-air missiles, which increases the range from 20 to 30 kilometers. The Pantsir S2 is also fitted with a new SOTS S-band search radar to increase the detection range from 36 kilometers to over 40 kilometers. The new Pantsir S2 has entered in service with the Russian Army in 2015. It was deployed in Syria to protect the Russian Air Force troops at the Hmeimim Air Base in Latakia. The Pantsir S2 armament consists of two 2838M 30mm anti-aircraft guns and 12 5.7E6E ready-to-fire missiles in steered launch containers mounted at the rear of an 8x8 truck chassis. The cannons have a combined rate of fire of between 3,900 and 5,000 rounds per minute, and have a muzzle velocity of 960 meters per second. Bursts of between 83 and 250 rounds are fired as determined by the target type, with an engagement range between 0.2 and 4.0 kilometers and to an altitude of about 3 kilometers. PT and EI shells are used and fitted with an A670 time and impact fuse, which includes an arming delay and self-destruct mechanism. The Pantsir II fires the 5.7E6E missiles, which have a bicaliber body in tandem configuration, separable booster and sustainer with separation mechanism. The sustainer contains the warhead and contact and proximity fuses. The missile weighs 65 kilograms at launch and has a maximum speed of 1,100 meters per second. The range is from 1 kilometer to 12 kilometers. It has expanded engagement zones up to 20 kilometers in range and up to 10 kilometers in altitude. The new missile of Pantsir S2 will increase the system's range of fire from 20 to 30 kilometers. The Pantsir S2 is fitted with a new SOTS S-band search radar, increases detection range from 36 kilometers to over 40 kilometers with 360 degrees coverage. The system can now track in excess of 40 incoming targets, up from 8 to 10, and can now engage targets traveling at up to 1,200 meters per second, up from 1,000 meters per second. Search azimuth has also been increased from 80 degrees to 90 degrees owed to electronic beam steering. The shape of the new antenna has changed and is mounted at the top of the turret. The S400 Triumph Air Defense Missile System. Origin, Russia. Manufactured, Almaz Central Design Bureau. Class, Air-to-Surface Missile. Basing, Mobile Ground-Based. Warhead, 143 kilograms, high explosive fragmentation. Hit to kill. Range, 250 to 400 kilometers. The S400 was developed as an upgrade of the S300 series of surface-to-air missile systems. The system entered service in April 2007 and the first S400 was deployed in combat in August 2007. Russia set up 4 S400 regiments defending national airspace in the Moscow region, the Baltic exclave of Kaliningrad, and the Eastern Military District. The air defense units of Southern Military District were rearmed with advanced S400 Triumph by the end of 2012. The S400 Triumph air defense system integrates a multifunction radar, autonomous detection and targeting systems, anti-aircraft missile systems, launchers, and command and control center. It is capable of firing 3 types of missiles to create a layered defense. The system can engage all types of aerial targets, including aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, and ballistic and cruise missiles, within the range of 400 kilometers at an altitude of up to 30 kilometers. The system can simultaneously engage 36 targets. The S400 is twice as effective as the previous Russian air defense systems and can be deployed within 5 minutes. It can also be integrated into the existing and future air defense units of the Air Force, Army and Navy.